So, good morning, guys. So, I'm done with dinner right now. Okay. Oh, snap. Is that? I'm waiting on some packages to arrive. Not USPS, but UPS is delivering them, and it's like, what is this? Oh gosh. It's like, ow. It's currently 4 o'clock, and my husband's gonna be home in a minute, and he's not supposed to know about these packages. I'm just kidding. It doesn't matter if he knows or not. Whoever said doing laundry is easy, jeez. Jeez. Jeez, jeez, jeez. Y esta niña está despierta. What happened? Oh, you took her. You took her. You took it. Probably 2 minutes right next to Today we are going. Oh no, wow. So today we are going to, we're actually going to go celebrate my dad's birthday. Matthew isn't with us right now because he's with my parents at the moment. So we just have Juliet with us. We have to stop by Target and Publix just to get the stuff that we need. Well, we do need something from Target. But we're just gonna stop real quick before we get to my parents' house. But as you guys saw from the previous clip, we celebrated my dad's birthday last night. We went to Red Lobster and we had a pretty good time. But today's the actual birthday and we have to celebrate it. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. It's in the back, and yeah. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in a little bit once we get to our destination. Hey guys, happy 4th of July. I have Juliet's blanket in the back because it's wet, and I'm just trying to let it kind of dry a little bit. I had her in the sink, and she was sitting there while I was getting ready, and she turned on the water. Fail. But yeah. So I haven't uploaded in like, I want to say like 5 days. Because I didn't have enough footage, like a complete like video to like put up, and I didn't want to just put like a 5-minute video like I did the first time. I think it was a 5-minute video the first time. I didn't want to do a 5-minute video, I didn't want to do a 5-minute video, so I figured I would continue the vlog, and I did not pick up my camera all this week till today, and as if the week's over. It's barely Thursday, but you can say the week is almost over. I didn't pick it up until today just because I didn't really have anything to do. I didn't really do anything, and everything I did was pretty boring. So, yeah.
Should I stop and get like something to drink for y'all?
You can. Yeah, because my uncle probably didn't get any because he doesn't.
Okay,
What is that big bag right there?
It's a blue balloons, star balloons.
From who?
I don't know. I think it was one of these neighbors.
Oh, what the hell? Anyways, guys, I will talk to you when we get to my aunt's house and we'll vlog a little bit there. I don't know, we'll see. What?
Does it feels heavy with that makeup on?
My face?
Yes.
No, because I'm a girl and I'm used to it. Because I'm used to it. He said, never mind, not even gonna go there. What'd you say about my lips?
I said they're too
Why
glossy.
do you always gotta wear a glossy lipstick?
Yeah, you kiss me. It should be all over my lips.
Okay. And I told him because I'm a girl and I'm used to it. He was like, does your lips ever like, do they touch like whenever? I mean, obviously they touch. They're supposed to touch.
I said, do they get sticky? Like, do they get sticky?
Like, do they stick?
Yeah.
No. He just doesn't like kissing me when I'm wearing lipstick. What's wrong with that?
It gets all over me.
You can wipe it off. I only give you a kiss like once a day.
Lávate los dientes.
Que sí me lavé los dientes. Sí me lavé los dientes en la mañana. Yes, I did. Okay, I'm not supposed to wash them every single time I get out the house.
Después de que coma, sí.
Oh, now you don't want to be on camera, mister. I wash my fucking teeth every fucking time I
Every
eat.
2 hours, I try to.
Oh my god, and they're still yellow.
Probably smoking.
Don't say
And
that.
drinking coffee.
I drink coffee and I drink tea.
And they look yellow.
Okay, they do not look yellow. They're not more yellow than... No, they're not more yellow than yours. Look.
Oh no.
Yours are yellow. Whose teeth are more white? Mine or his? Mine are obviously whiter. You know what I used to do though? Like, why mine are whiter now? Is because when I was a teenager, when I was in high school, I would whiten them like fucking crazy. You know those little like whitening strips?
Yeah.
Yeah, I use those like all the time. My teeth were super white, right? When we were dating?
Mine too.
You know what I'm saying? When we were dating, honestly, like my teeth were like white as heck.
You're going to the tears right here, right?
But that's what I would do, guys. I would whiten my teeth like every single day. It was really bad, but now like they're really white. I don't have to like, I don't know. I don't have to do it now like all the time.
You don't gotta do what?
Whiten them.
Oh, that's what you meant. Okay, washing them.
But yeah, guys. So we're about to get to my aunt's house.
Nobody can. It's this one.
You sure it's not that one?
It's this one.
You sure it's not that one?
This one. Yeah.
Oh, my uncle's grilling. Damn, you were about to drive off.
Oh no. We were supposed to stop at the gas station though.
Oh, dile que ahorita vinemos. I'm not about to stay here by myself. I'll see you guys in a little bit.